Good morning, student. Today we start with our new chapter, that's chapter 6, that is food for health. As you know that our basic needs are food, clothes and house. You know that all animals, all living things need food to stay alive. Animals or human beings need food to stay alive. Other thing is food gives us energy to work and play. It gives us energy to become healthy and strong. So food is necessary for all of us, because if we can't eat food, we can't get energy to work and play or other activity. So where does this food come from? We get food from plants and as well as animals. Some foods like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables we get from plant. But some food item like milk, egg, meat, honey, these food item we get from animals. So where does we get food from? The food we get from plants. First we get the food item from plants and second from animals. And this fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, these food item we get from plant, and some food item like milk, meat, egg, fish, honey, we get this item from animals. So these food items we eat in our daily meals. In our daily meals we eat at this food item. But why do we eat food? Food gives us some nutrients which are necessary for our health, for our growing bones, muscles, for our protections. So according to these nutrients what food has given us, we are categorized this food into 3 groups. How many groups? 3 groups. What are these? The food are categorized into 3 groups. Energy giving food. Energy giving food. What are these food? The food which gives us energy to work, play or other activity, that is called energy giving food. So what are energy giving food? The food that gives us energy to work, play and other activities. Are called energy giving food. So which gives us energy to work and play are called energy giving food. And what are these food? Some example of this food item is rice, sugar, potato, butter, rice, sugar, potato, butter, ghee, cheese. This gives us energy to what we do in our daily activity, to work, play, run, jump. They gives us energy so that we can do this activity smoothly. Suppose if you are not eating food for whole day, you are not taking interest in playing or doing your work, you feel lazy, weakness. And when we eat a proper diet, you can get a fresh mind and you became a healthy, so that you can do your work easily. So this food item gives us energy to work and play. Next one is energy giving food, body building food. First is energy giving food. Next is body building food. What are body building food? The food that keeps our bones and muscles strong and make them and we grow properly. These food items help us. So this food item is called body building food. So what are body building food? Food that keeps our bones and muscles strong and helps to grow are called bodybuilding food. Example: milk, meat, egg, pulses, all type of pulses. So these food item, milk, meat, egg, pulses, they keeps our bones and muscles strong, so that we can grow properly. So it is very necessary to take this food item for our proper growth. So what are bodybuilding food? Food that keeps our bones and muscles strong and helps to grow are called bodybuilding food. Next one is protective food. So what are protective food? Food that keeps us healthy and helps to fight against disease are called protective food. That means they protect us from outsider germs, so that we became healthy, fit. So what are protective food? Food that keeps our food that protect us, protect our body from diseases, and gives us energy to fight. and gives food that protect our body from diseases and fight with them are called protective food. These food items are all types of fruits and vegetables. So we categorize this food into three groups. First one is bodybuilding food, energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Thank you for today. We will